Ooh, I'm ready to vlog.
I'm saying we start vlogging YouTube. It's crazy.
And Quan.
Young
That's
girl.
all. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quan.
It's a young girl crazy.
And today,
We ready to go get some snacks and talk to y'all when we get back.
y'all
To the
be
house.
watching this. This Sun D, man. This thing killing me.
Yeah, it really is. But I'm gonna give me some drink.
Should I get us something to
I
drink?
feel myself getting too healthy.
I'm ready to get some snacks.
And some fun.
Yeah, some scrap. And we gonna get back to y'all when we hit the what, man?
This house.
Alright. If y'all in Richmond, Virginia, and y'all sing, go ahead and hit your boy up. You feel me? I'm out here.
Damn! Wait a damn minute.
What's up, YouTube? We back. We went in the store. Came out. Went in the seafood store. Came out.
I'm hot, y'all. I'm super
You know what I'm saying? She
hot.
got her rainbow bag. She said she hot, ready to start crying. But honestly, we ain't even really got that much more to walk. Just gotta keep on moving now. Gotta keep on moving.
I'm gonna walk with
Girl, you just seen me come over here. Oh, she gotta follow behind me. Look at her. No. Well, we're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the house. So yeah, y'all keep rocking. Yeah. She
Okay,
said.
y'all, we're home.
We're back. You know what I'm saying? It was a very hot walk, an angry walk, because she was angry, crying, sitting in the middle of the street.
And it's
She
been a
doodled
very-
on herself.
He got me. Y'all.
I ain't really getting that, y'all. I
It's
just
been
got
heated since we got back. Cause he
Got
wanna
the-
keep. He wanna keep
the little
talking to
fire,
me.
the hot fire.
Like,
They'll pick a chip. If y'all don't like these, I don't know what you're missing out on. Little scrimps, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm saying it right, but you feel me? I
you want to
said,
get some questions from offline?
because I'm not do what?
Just talk about it. Or you want to do the topic that we already discussed?
What topic?
Right.
Violence.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about violence.
Okay. So today, let me talk about the violence in the city.
Let's get
Our
wicked
opinion
in the city.
even though our opinion don't matter because it's still gonna be happening, but hopefully this get out there to people. So
Just stop. And then go outside for 52 seconds. But I was mad at that.
no, but this is a real serious topic because this is really getting crazy. Yeah, I feel like. And then they make a rule that 18-year-olds can get guns, even though they find their own way to get their guns, even before that rule was out.
Not even 18.
Yeah, it's people with 13. People 13 with guns. But like, I've just been doing dumb stuff all day. But I feel like they shouldn't even make that a rule. Even though, like I said, there's people out here younger than 18 getting guns on their own.
Man.
But
It's getting wicked and wicked and wicked. You can't even.
you can't even take your kids outside to the playground in your neighborhood. Or it's gonna be some, like, you couldn't even walk to the corner store to get your family some food. Or it's gonna be some.
Young man, you can't take a normal ass whooping.
You kids today are nothing but punks.
Like, it's just hard.
Let's get me a scrap
It's hard.
and a hot fun.
It's hard being a Richmond.
Man, no.
It's hard being anywhere. Because that can happen anyway.
Everybody, I feel like that. Everybody getting guns. Damn. Everybody want to be doing like what these rappers doing. Cause they rapping about killing, They rap about robbing, got guns, all that.
Oh yeah, we got like our brother. He ready to come out with his story, like a message, and y'all make sure y'all check that out, cause that's really like some of the youth really need to check out.
Yeah, I gotta tell y'all a story.
Like his story, he gonna tell y'all his story, and
He was in the streets, all that, with the guns, all
don't
that.
tell, just let him tell, but
Now he gonna show y'all what the street life.
really can do to you.
Yeah.
We're not gonna tell y'all nothing more,
Y'all
cause y'all can go
trust
see
y'all
it.
right here, man. But everybody changed. And your friends ain't 100. Even if you grew up in school and they not 100.
But we're not gonna tell y'all no more. Y'all just make sure y'all check that out when he drop his, like about his story.
Matter of fact, we're gonna drop his little flyer at the end of this video.
Yeah.
So make sure y'all watch to the end.
I'm gonna follow his Instagram and stuff.
We're gonna drop his Instagram back there with the flyer.
Yep.
Watch to the end.
Cause that's gonna be something
Nah,
good.
man.
That's gonna be something good for y'all to listen to. Maybe it changed some of y'all minds. Maybe some of y'all don't care about it and still want to do what y'all do. But
Yeah.
hopefully it changed most of y'all minds.
Cause
The streets ain't everything. And when you trying to get out the streets, it's
bruh.
hard.
And stop eating all this scrum, bro. Like, goddamn.
I'm not putting it in here. But like I was saying,
Bro, stop.
so hopefully it changed y'all mind.
Like, you gotta, like, nowadays you gotta just use your mind. Like, do I choose the streets or do I choose
That's
to
what
be
I'm
a
saying.
millionaire?
My nigga.
Yeah.
Now you ready to eat. Is you gonna do that? Is you gonna put some dill pickle chips on there? Cause you say you want some shrimp, some pickle juice.
Shot. You lame man. You lame man, shot.
Y'all, I just advise y'all to taste this. Now that I can talk, because at first,
First you was sad and feeling feelings.
go get some shrimp, right? And then eat some hot onions with them. And it's gonna taste like how the YouTubers be when they be frying it hot, like when they be making hot Cheeto
fried
seafood.
shrimp.
Hot Cheeto seafood. It's gonna taste. I don't know how it tastes, but
You know, I still want to make some hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks.
yeah, we gonna make them. When we get out on the
Bro,
power,
don't
we
tell
better.
me you looking bussin'.
I'm gonna get out on the power. We gonna stay one go to something and make some.
Them times be looking bussin' like, bro.
I promise y'all, we gonna have a whole cooking channel cooking with Q&K.
That time be looking bussin'.
Oh, you want to start a cooking channel for real?
Yeah.
Cooking
When we
with
get
food.
famous.
Yeah, when we get up, like people start really saying our stuff, then that's when we want to make another channel. Cooking with Q&K.
Don't worry. People stop giving us hater vibes and share our stuff around.
You didn't say that again.
But other than that, y'all don't have to wait on the cooking channel.
One thing I learned, you can be close with so many people, but when it's time to support, you won't put your support. But that young boy was supposed to post right now. My whole family will post that.
And that's crazy because it's not hard to click a button, click a button, and it's shared.
How many family members I got?
Y'all gotta do 13 cartwheels, 4 black flips, just to share our post.
Right.
It takes 2 clicks, literally. More,
We
maybe
asking
3.
them, you go kill the president. I bring us back some blood. Nah.
Like, I feel like everybody should be famous. If they post something, it don't take that much to share a post. Like 2 clicks, most 3 to share something.
But I show love to people that support me. Like every YouTuber
Yeah, they sub.
that like sub for sub and stuff. or some YouTubers post my stuff, or just random people like I don't even know just post my stuff. I appreciate that. Some people be saving my stuff to wait till I post. They be like, new video up.
Our stuff. Sometimes his stuff, because he did be all right for cute, but yeah.
Saving our stuff, waiting for us to post so they could just go and view it. Like, that's what I like to see.
And then people be texting me, like, I had some people text me and saying, like, when the video gonna drop, when the video gonna drop. Like, that make us like, oh yeah, they really want
that make me really be like, come on, let's get in editing mode. Like, we got like 3 videos.
Just not posted yet.
I ain't even start editing yet because we making more videos. Alright.
I'm trying to figure out, should I put, y'all comment down below if y'all think I should put that letting my boyfriend rate my outfits on this channel or on my Value Tech channel. Better than that, post on that in a little while.
I think you should post it on here.
On here?
It's still me and you. Still Corner Cage. I'm
gonna get my guys to keep some content because I know they're like, she posted 1 video and that's it. I gotta start sharing that page too because I don't share that page around. That YouTube, I don't share it around. And that's the thing I need to start doing.
This is Zane Hill. Oh my God.
I can't wait till somebody try to sponsor us.
Yeah. Because the hair glue, the black hair glue, they need to sponsor me. How many bottles of that I done seen? Promise you. I haven't seen the big ones like them saying like this. And
it's for lashes.
Sitting on the counter and the house.
Yeah, you
bathroom.
See a lot of hair glue around me because I need my lashes on. Not even for my hair, I just need lashes.
Or what's it called?
What's what kind?
Mascara. I used to think that was I thought it used to make.
Right, you do fast.
I used to think that was markers. Like you supposed to draw with that. Like I used to stay doing bad stuff like.
Okay, I thought.
Like I was so bad when I was little. I used to throw eggs at the next door neighbor house.
I thought mascara was lipstick one time.
No, I thought it was something you draw with. I used to take it and draw my name with it on a little paper.
Yeah, so I actually took out the jank and I seen a little brush right there and I was like, this got to do something.
So what is it really made for? Eyelashes.
Oh yes, people who don't want to put lashes on, they just darken their own eyelashes.
And so it make your eyelashes longer.
And darken.
How I make it longer though?
You brushing it don't make them longer. It curl them up and make them darker. That's if you don't want to wear big eyelashes. You can
So what if nobody got no lashes and they still try to use mascara?
Then it's not gonna really show.
Yo. Hold on. Man a minute or something. And I'm gonna cut all my hair to a low cut. I'm gonna do it myself though. I might bald myself. Like, y'all get this to 1 million likes, not bald myself.
Don't do that. Y'all, I finished all my shit.
But no, because if I see that they got this to 1 million likes, bro.
You're not balding yourself.
Bro, I'm gonna lose my mind like that. They really want me to bald myself.
Ooh. Ooh, close the door. I said close the door. Close the thing. Can they still see y'all?
Yeah.
Y'all, cause I don't know how to.
Can they still see us?
How the battery thing pop up. They pop up on top of our face so I can try to What's on?
Y'all ain't hear me at this door.
I'm making a YouTube video, man. I don't got time for your phone.
Oh my god!
And then you drop your phone. So you just come in here doing dumb stuff.
It's always dumb.
It's always who?
Is she a Capricorn?
For me.
She an Aquarius.
Yeah, it's always been her.
Girl, you funky ass.
If you're an Aquarius, then come on with you.
Ain't nothing wrong with me.
If you a Leo,
Like you
then
really something in your head is messed up.
you
like,
lit if you
really
a
crazy.
Leo. You lit if you a Leo.
Crazy.
Boy.
Nah, you lit
Oh,
up
that's first Sunday. Let's watch first Sunday when he was done.
Something wrong with both of y'all ass.
She said,
No, cause I think Aquarius.
I'm a Leo.
They
King
just
of the
slow. Like,
jungle.
they crazy. Like something wrong with them people.
Your mama crazy.
I hope she see this video.
Too much your mama crazy.
Nicole, you look bright.
You look bright.
KK, you look like you're an emo girl. Both of y'all just ugly.
Girl, you ugly.
Just ugly.
You ugly.
KK, your fat head on.
You look like the dude off Lord of the
Shut up!
I told you they slow.
You look like the dog off Men in Black.
Wow.
No.
What? I told you Aquarius something wrong.
I'm not
And
a Leo.
Leos, they just dumb. Like,
I'm a Leo, king of the jungle.
y'all so quiet. He ain't even finished his shrimp yet. Like, dang, you should have been eating.
Yeah, my
You
boy.
want to do dumb stuff. I swear, I was about to wipe my shrimp hands all day.
Boy, you would have did that. I would have stole you.
No, I really was. I was thinking about it in my head, like, but this, I don't know who
Yeah.
he gets my with, but I swear.
Ray. Hold on.
I was like, in my head, I was like, I don't know who he gets my with, but I swear I'm about to wipe my hands all down his shit. But I pour water instead. Cause that get dry. Like, it's dry right now.
It's not. It's still cold. Like, come on, about a house 22 degrees and you can throw that.
You can go outside and you gonna feel good.
No, when I go outside, I'm gonna die.
But y'all, I'm finished. I got my chips right here.
I'm ready to watch a movie.
Cause I ate all my hot funnies with the shrimp.
So, we gave y'all some content.
Yeah. And I drank
Well, I gave y'all some content. So, y'all
1.5 bottles.
Y'all go subscribe to FAQ,
Oh,
Guys with K,
they sponsor-
subscribe to Bipster Gaming. Y'all go, y'all
You
stay
think they gonna
tuned.
sponsor us and we be like, if we tell them to drink this?
No, they not gonna do that.
Okay. Anyways, y'all go subscribe to,
Life with Q, Vibes with K, Corner Cager, which is this channel.
and we gonna tell
posting on.
y'all that,
Y'all go follow us on Instagram. She too bad. Q from the block _ Q from the block. Y'all go follow.
Too bad with 2 E's.
Y'all go follow Quan _ Cager too. That's our page. We gonna be dropping TikTok.
And don't forget, we're gonna put the.
We gonna drop TikToks, skits.
And we're gonna put
all that. All
our
that.
brother Instagram at the end of this video because y'all need to check that out.
Y'all need to go check that out. Like,
I'm not
I want to tell
playing.
y'all more about him, but I'm gonna let him do all the explaining himself. When y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, oh yeah.
They probably like most people probably
Yeah.
don't care because some people just don't care. They want to keep doing what they're doing. But I hope it inspires a lot of people because I'm gonna share it and y'all need to share it. And when we post
But look,
back in this video, y'all better go
think like
follow
this.
him.
I know some people ain't got their mama, so this ain't need for y'all, but it's for y'all. Y'all still got y'all grandma, y'all got some bad.
Yeah, y'all got something bad.
Look, while y'all in the streets wilding,
Y'all want
how y'all think y'all making y'all grandma feel?
I don't want them keep hearing a call at 3 in the morning. Oh, whatchamacallit got shot? Oh, so-and-so got shot. Oh, so-and-so is dead. Like, y'all don't want people keep hearing that.
Or he
All
locked
in the
up.
morning. Any time of day, y'all don't want to keep hearing that. Oh, yeah. Or
You out
he
here
got locked
wilding.
up. Like,
Your grandma getting older and older, like.
and it's stressing her out.
Yeah,
Boy,
if you got locked up. You go, like, you die. You got shot. All that.
And then you out here in the streets knowing how this is to rich people. You're out here in the streets knowing how the streets is, and you know you got a mama or a grandma, and when you die, how is gonna be there to protect her when you know how bad Richmond is. Like, y'all should think about stuff.
And then y'all got kids.
Yes, how y'all think y'all kids gonna feel when they grow up? They don't got no dad. They probably see their friends and stuff with their daddies, and they don't got no daddy. Like, y'all really need to honestly just chill and
Grow
come
up.
at peace with everybody. Like,
The streets is challenging. And they don't like it.
I was not trying to tell y'all. Like,
And they not loyal to you. Ain't nobody gonna be loyal to you like to you.
Like, I know some people.
Just because your homeboy shoot back for you or he do this and that, you never know what he'll do for some money. You always think like that. That's how you gonna know who loyal and who fake. But still, get out the streets. You got more.
I know, like,
you got more to live for than just to wake up and do the same thing you did yesterday all over again, bro.
I know some.
You got people out here that love you, bro. Like, you got kids out here that love you. You got nieces and nephews. Your grandma love you. Your grandpa love you. Your mama like. Remember
even
that.
if they gone, they sitting right here watching down on you.
God like, God like.
They watching down on you, like. And even if y'all went through a whole lot of stuff in your life, you can't use that as an excuse to be in the streets. You cannot use that as an excuse. Like, you can get up and you can try to go find you a job. And I know nowadays jobs, they don't never want to call back. They don't never want to email back. That should push you 10 times harder to keep applying for a lot of jobs. So they give you more choices of getting a call back. You know?
Well, look though, I know him, man. I got on knees with a yellow shirt. Well, I had on some blues and him.
They don't care. They can't even see you.
You know what I'm saying? But this is my chill trip. Me and my girl chilling.
Yeah.
Alright.
I hope Richmond get better. I hope everywhere there's getting shootouts. I don't care. If
Yeah, I hope everywhere get better.
Atlanta, I don't care. All y'all just need to just chill and nowadays people who not even in the streets or people who don't even have stuff to do with the situation, they getting in the crossfire now nowadays because I just like people don't care no more. Like, and you should just like, what if that was your peoples? They ain't had nothing to do with nothing. And they in the middle of a crossfire because people don't care. Like, y'all gotta think like that. Y'all can't just go around the neighborhood and you see some stuff kids out there and you just start shooting. Like, no, if you gonna try to get your target, make sure you hit your target. Don't hit nobody, kids, none of that. Cause like it's getting crazy out here for real.
Hit your still either way.
Cause like if you got kids, and I know some of y'all, if y'all got kids, and somebody just come out there trying to get you back for when you came around that neighborhood, your kids out there, and something happened to your kids, you gonna be mad because like that's lost and they shouldn't be running around with that and it's the kids outside shooting like.
But yeah, we ain't been posting on this on our page because, well, we already explained that to y'all in the video before this one. We had made another video before this one. It was getting to know Corner Cajun. We're gonna, I think we probably dropped that one before this, or we're gonna drop this one before that one. Either way, we got bangers coming.
We dropped them at the same time.
Yeah, we got bangers coming.